Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Buenos Aires. It's 5 to 5 p.m. local time and the outside temperature is 19 degrees Celsius.
We have some 340s and we have 330s, and we're actually receiving 2 more 330s the second half of the year. So we're very excited about the opportunity that we have with Airbus to fly internationally, especially to Europe and the US. Actually, I had the opportunity to take off in the cockpit, and the level of noise, it was amazing, like very silent, and actually the area of the airplane, like you feel that it's the coziness that is not, you're compacted, you feel the air, you feel like you have more space and more air. Actually, I really like the design of the airplane, and of course the silence is really great. I know how tough it is to design a product that's going to be launched several years after the design and the production. And I think the challenge is always how to meet the customer needs and whether or not it's going to be successful or not. So since you start working on a spreadsheet or a piece of paper, and I think that the message is that it can really satisfy the customers, and it can really make the customers feel proud of what Airbus is building, and feel comfortable that whatever Airbus is building is going to make our customers happy and satisfied on their flight. So I know there's a lot of work in every single piece of design and the engines that we put together here, but the result is outstanding. It's a very nice product, very nice airplane.